This is Peter from Talk Android, and today we have something different to unbox. As you can see, it's a rather different type of unboxing box. It's from Motorola, and it's a jerry can, kind of. And let's see what we've got inside. So, opening it up, and yeah, what we've got here is obviously a phone. We have a pair of nifty socks with the Moto G5G Plus branding. Some jelly babies here, which will go down nicely tonight. Thank you, Motorola. And finally, we have the Moto G5G Plus, or rather the Moto G5G Plus, depending how you want to say it. So let's put the jerry can down and we'll take things a bit further. This is the variant with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. As you can see, it has 5G connectivity. This is courtesy of the Snapdragon 765 processor that is all the rage nowadays with the affordable 5G handsets. So let's take a closer look. So we've got a 6.7-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. We'll turn it on quickly. And on the back we have a quad camera setup. There's a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 5 megapixel macro lens, and 2 megapixel depth of field lens. And you can see the LED flash here as well. The Motorola logo just beneath the cameras in the center. And other than that, the rear panel is absolutely clear. On the right hand side here, you can see that we have a side mounted fingerprint scanner just below the volume rocker. On the left hand side, we've got the power button, which sits just above the SIM tray. The top is rather clean, apart from the noise cancelling microphone, but on the bottom we'll find a whole stash of goodies, including 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C charging port, and a single chamber speaker. There's a whopping big 5000 mAh battery with 20 watt turbo power charging. We've got the handset in the snazzy blue colour. Really does reflect the light nicely, even though it is a little smudgy. It will collect the fingerprints quite a bit, like so. And prospective buyers will be happy to know that there is a case included in the box. Here you'll be able to see that there's dual selfie cameras in punch holes on the display in the top left corner. This is a quick look of the Moto G5G Plus. So we've got this in to review. Keep your eyes peeled. It will be coming up in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, this is Peter from Talk Android. Keep it locked to our channel and stay safe out there. Bye.